In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack 2025. If you've ever found yourself needing to include another team member in a discussion, but weren't sure how to go about it, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process in just a few simple steps, so let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up your Slack application. Once you've got that up and running, direct your attention to the Direct Messages section. This is usually located on the left sidebar of your screen. Go ahead and locate the conversation or direct message in which you want to include someone new. Remember, this could be any conversation you're currently a part of and need to loop someone else into. Now that you've found the conversation, it's time to unveil a few helpful options. You do this by simply right-clicking on that specific conversation. A menu with several option choices should appear before you. Here, you're going to want to select View Conversation Details. This will allow you to see more information about the ongoing chat and will ultimately help us with adding a new member. Once you've clicked on View Conversation Details, the next step is to find the option labeled Add People to this conversation. This is where you're able to invite your new participant. Simply click on it and you'll notice a new search bar appears for you to use. In the search bar that's now before you, you'll want to begin typing the name of the person you wish to add to the conversation. Slack often has a predictive text feature, meaning it will start offering suggestions as you type. This can make your task a bit quicker if you're adding someone with a unique name within your organization. When the correct name of the desired participant appears, simply click on it. To proceed, you'll want to click on the Next button that appears. This step confirms your selection and prepares to finalize the addition of this person to your conversation. Lastly, after ensuring everything is correct and you've double-checked your selections, all that's left is to click on Done. This final click cemented your action and the new person is now successfully added to your conversation thread. And there you have it. You've now successfully added someone to a conversation in Slack 2025. It's a straightforward process, but knowing the steps can really enhance your communication flow within the platform. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for your collaboration efforts. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with your teammates. Keep communicating and collaborating effectively. Until next time.